Make money online by freelance writing. Craft your path to success. Freelance writing has emerged as a prominent avenue for individuals to make money online while leveraging their writing skills and creativity. With the rise of content-driven industries and the gig economy, freelance writing offers a flexible and potentially lucrative income source. Here, we'll explore how you can craft your path to success in the world of freelance writing. 1. Discover your niche. Start by identifying your areas of expertise or interests. Whether you have a passion for technology, travel, health, or any other topic, finding a niche you're passionate about will make writing more enjoyable and authentic. 2. Build a strong portfolio. As a freelance writer, your portfolio is your calling card. Create a collection of well-crafted writing samples that showcase your skills and versatility. Include different types of content, such as articles, blog posts, case studies, and press releases. 3. Create an online presence. Establish an online presence through a personal website or a professional profile on platforms like LinkedIn. A professional online presence not only helps you showcase your work but also attracts potential clients. 4. Utilize freelance marketplaces. Sign up on freelance marketplaces like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or Guru to find writing gigs. These platforms connect writers with clients seeking content creation services. 5. Network and outreach. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Actively seek out clients by networking with industry professionals, reaching out to potential clients via email or social media, and attending virtual or local networking events. 6. Set competitive rates. Determine your pricing strategy based on your experience, the complexity of the project, and market rates. Be flexible in adjusting your rates as you gain experience and build a strong client base. 7. Meet deadlines and deliver quality. Reputation is crucial in the freelance writing world. Always meet deadlines and consistently deliver high-quality content. Satisfied clients are more likely to become repeat customers and provide referrals. 8. Expand your skills. Stay updated with writing trends and consider expanding your skill set to include SEO writing, copywriting, technical writing, or editing. Diversifying your skills can open up more opportunities. 9. Pitch to publications. Approach online and print publications, websites, and blogs in your niche with article ideas or guest post pitches. Getting published on reputable platforms can enhance your credibility and visibility. 10. Manage finances wisely. Keep track of your income and expenses, and set aside a portion of your earnings for taxes. Consider investing in accounting software or hiring a financial advisor to manage your finances effectively. In conclusion, freelance writing offers a promising path to making money online for those with a passion for writing and a dedication to honing their craft. Success in this field requires a combination of talent, persistence, networking, and professionalism. By consistently delivering quality work, marketing your services effectively, and continuously improving your skills, you can build a rewarding and sustainable freelance writing career.